Today I'm going to be giving you a minimalist room tour. I'm going to be moving in a few weeks. I'm moving from Raleigh, North Carolina to Durham, North Carolina, and moving with my boyfriend, so that's going to be really exciting. Currently, I'm in a 2-bedroom apartment in Raleigh near the downtown area, and I absolutely love it here. So I'm going to be a little bit sad to be moving because I do love my apartment. I love my room right now. It's absolutely exactly what I want, but you know, you gotta move on with life. So I am excited to be moving to Durham. There's a lot of things I want to check out there. There's a lot of really cool local businesses, local coffee shops, women started businesses that I absolutely love. So I'll be taking you guys along the road for that. So in the meantime, I'm gonna show you guys what my room looks like right now currently. I'm really happy with it. I love how everything turned out, and hopefully I'll be able to transfer as much of this as possible to my next place. So let's get started. So this is what the room looks like from the door. I'm really happy with my bed. The duvet is from IKEA, and the pillows I got from TJ Maxx a while ago. Most of these things are actually like pre-minimalism, pre-minimalism purchases. So mostly when I went through my whole thing, I downsized a lot of my things and kept only my favorites. So that's the bed. And to the right of that is one nightstand where I've got like my phone, of course, and this is a essential oil diffuser and just my chargers. So we're gonna go around, and this, I have a robe and like some bags. Over here is my scarf collection and my summer hat, because if you are a strawberry blonde in the summer, you need to wear a hat like almost at all times, so I keep that for that. That's sort of like my pop of color in the room. And an old fossil bag that was a pre-vegan purchase that got grandfathered in. This is my closet. It's pretty small. It's not a walk-in or anything, and these are just like storage stuff and like a weekender bag up there. So it's pretty basic. I've got most of my shoes in this shoe container, and these are all of the clothes that I own. I don't have any other in storage or under my bed or anything like that. This is everything, and this is where I keep like my underwear and bras and things. And there's actually a bag of clothes I'm gonna be getting rid of because when you move, you don't want to keep too much stuff. You don't want to have to move things you're going to be getting rid of anyway, so that is that. And this is my little like makeup hair station, which I'm getting more into. So I absolutely love my little Christmas lights around my window. This is my favorite addition to my room that I'm going to be carrying over. These curtains were originally from Target, and I got them on sale for like $5 for each panel. There's 2 panels, so I love it. So this is my other nightstand. This one was from IKEA, and I just added some flowers. I'm working with my video display, so these were a nice background on my previous video, so I'll actually link that up there so that you can see my new kind of setup. But yeah, I really love having like a nice table with a drawer. So this is my like adjoining bathroom, my ensuite. It's pretty simple in here. I'm sticking to like the blues in here, because I bought this shower curtain first of all like years and years ago, and I just absolutely love it. I got it from Target as well. So I'm sticking with the blue in here. Got this candle going. That was from Target too, the soy candle. And then I wanted to just show you guys this bowl. It is like the most beautiful thing that I have. I mean, I got this a few weeks ago, and I'll link the woman who makes this bowl. So I got this bowl from this woman named Jenna. She's a local to the Raleigh area like artisan. She throws all her own pottery and decorates it herself. She even has some jewelry, but it's mostly like cups and mugs and things like that. So I'm gonna link her her Instagram down below, because I love her stuff, and I love that it's local and made from one person, and the person who made it was the person who actually sold it to me. So I love it so much. So definitely go support her. Check out her Instagram. It's gorgeous. So that's basically it for the room tour. I don't have much else to report. This is all of my space, like the living room and the kitchen and whatnot. That's actually shared. So a lot of the things in there don't actually belong to me. They belong to my roommate. So I didn't really want to film that as well. But let me know if you guys enjoyed this little room tour. I really enjoyed filming it because, like I said, I'm going to be moving soon. So it's gonna be nice to be able to look back on this video and see, you know, where I used to live and how bright and beautiful this room is. I really love it. So comment down below if you liked it, and subscribe to my channel for more minimalism videos. I'm planning a bunch more like budgeting and different kinds of debts and my opinion on them. So give me a subscribe for more videos like that, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.